What is going on, everyone? So all week long we've been talking about stocks that have been forgotten, stocks that once had a lot of hype around them, but then everybody kind of forgot about them, and now they're trading at valuations that are either very attractive or at the very least fair for the time being. But these are all companies, or every single stock that I brought up are all companies that I believe in. I believe in a lot, and companies which are currently trading at a valuation that I find attractive, or almost to the point of being attractive. And today is going to be no different. I've got another one to bring up today that I really like. I like the company. I love what the company's doing, what they've got going on. But more importantly, I love the valuation that the company is at, which is why I'm making this video, to bring that to your attention. So before we get started, and we are going to get started right away, I do ask that you go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new to this channel, because I drop videos just like this one every day. And this is part of my short video series. So without any further ado, let us go ahead and get right into it. So if we learned anything last year, it's that a lot of stocks were overvalued. And they got overvalued very quickly. And not only were they overvalued, they were insanely overvalued. And when we talk about overvalued stocks, we need to mention SPACs, special purpose acquisition companies. We saw those coming out like crazy, and it's because they were getting crazy valuations. They were completely overvalued. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but I think most of you have already figured it out if you've ever invested in a SPAC, because all of those SPAC companies have come down drastically, or any company that even completed the mergers has come down, and there's a lot of great ones out there. And there's a lot of great ones out there right now that have kind of been forgotten, or are kind of flying under the radar right now. And while people are forgetting about them, or have forgotten about them, that's the time when you need to buy. And this is the reason that I'm making this video. This is the reason that I've been making videos like this all week. I haven't been talking about SPACs all week, but I've been talking about companies that are solid, that I believe in, that I believe are undervalued. So look, don't get me wrong here, this is still a speculative company, but I believe that it has a hell of a chance of being a solid ass company. Now, if you've always wanted to invest in Microsoft back when it was, you know, 10, 20, 30, 40, $50, this is your opportunity. Now, I'm not saying that this company is like investing in Microsoft, but it kind of is. This is a company that's related to Microsoft, which is why I'm specifically using Microsoft as an example. Now, some of you may already know this because you've seen the thumbnail and you know which stock we're talking about, but let me get a little further into it. So this very off the radar company that we're talking about could be a big winner. It's AvePoint Incorporated, trades on NASDAQ, ticker symbol AVPT, and provides Microsoft 365 data management solutions worldwide. It offers a suite of software as a service solutions, or SAS, to migrate, manage, and protect data. The company provides cloud solutions for Office 365, Salesforce, and Dynamics 365, as well as hybrid on-premises products. It also offers advisory and implementation, maintenance and support, Microsoft Teams, Surge, and advisory, migration as a service, and quick start services. So Goldman Sachs initiated coverage on this company with a buy rating. The company delivered a total revenue of $151.5 million last year and accelerated annual recurring revenue growth to 33.2% year over year this past quarter. The stock has remained relatively undiscovered due to its recent emergence as a public company through, you know, the whole SPAC thing, which we discussed earlier. But Goldman Sachs believes that the pace of digital transformation accelerated by COVID-19, coupled with growing Office 365 adoption, and will continue to serve as secular tailwinds for the company. So Goldman Sachs has a $17 price target on AvePoint stock right now, and the consensus target is just slightly lower at $15.38. And guess what? The stock is right around $9 right now. It's just a little bit under $9. So this is a hell of a buying opportunity if you ask me, because you know what? This stock, in my opinion, is going to explode. And when that time comes, you're going to be wishing you got in, which is why I'm making this video for you right now and telling you guys that this is a stock you need to be keeping your eyes on. But yeah, I think this about concludes the video. I apologize in advance for the barking dogs. I promise I will try to keep them under control for the next video. But anyhow, I hope that every last one of you has smashed that like button, because it would greatly help me out and it helps get the video out to other people just like you, that crazy YouTube algorithm. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, because it also greatly helps the channel out. And you know what? You're going to love the content that I've got coming for you in the very near future, every single freaking day. So I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, you can check out the recommendations that YouTube has for you right now that are coming from my channel.